Where should we go for dinner? Oh, really? Is that where we need to go? Where is that at? Can you tell me? Tell me where it's at and I'll let Mommy know. You don't know? You don't know where it's at? You just know it. Oh. No? Don't know where it's at? Can't figure it out? Oh, I'm sorry. Where could it be? Okay. We'll figure it out together, okay? Sorry. Sorry for asking tough questions. Yeah. Poor baby. Okay, let's figure it out, okay?